This is Aspendos Ancient Theatre. It's one of the most famous theatres in the world. It's also one of the best preserved in all of antiquity. You can find theatres like this scattered all over Anatolia, but this one is really special for the Turks because it was the first archaeological preservation that happened under the Turkish Republic. And the person who told everyone to do it was Atatürk. And what he wanted was for his people to enjoy this stage. And today, you can come here and watch opera and ballet in spring and summer. This theater was built in 155 BC by a local architect. His name was Zenon. He was actually from Aspendos. Aspendos itself was actually a trade city because there used to be a river that connected to the ocean. You could navigate by ship to here. So this was a really important trade center, especially for olive oil and salt, which was very important in those times. The best way to experience the Aspendos Theatre is to actually attend an event here. Whether it be music, dance, or theater that you want, there are world-renowned artists as well as Turkish artists that perform all summer long on this theater. This is a stage that was dedicated to the emperors. This is Aspendos, only in Türkiye.